Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Before we get into this video, I like to give a whoop whoop to Jackie R. You were the first to comment on one of my videos, so girl, I see you see me, so I want people to see you, so whoop whoop to you. Okay, you guys, so today's video is going to be a quick video showing how I do my fall and winter wash day routine. So it's a little backwards, but just follow along with me and hopefully it makes sense. And if you give this video a try or this routine a try, then just leave comments down below for me and let people know how it worked for you. Hey you guys, what I like to do for my fall and winter routine for my wash day is kind of a little backwards, but you guys just hear me out. First, I like to take down my old hairstyle in the shower, which is my wash and go. I like to get my hair thoroughly saturated with water. I use warm water, like more on the warmer side because I have low porosity hair to open up my cuticles. So I get my hair thoroughly saturated with warm water, and then I like to go in with a hair mask. So today I'm going to be using the Cantu Alkaline Berry Rejuvenating Treatment Mask. You guys, this is a very thick mask. It smells very delicious. Like, it really smells like berries, but I like the texture of it. And for my hair, especially for these cold fall and winter months, I like to go in with a hair mask first. You're probably like, girl, why are you going in with a hair mask first? Because our hair is already really dry, and if you just go in straight with a shampoo, then your hair is going to get drier. So I like to go in with a treatment first before I'll go in with any type of shampoo. And my shampoo today is going to be Cantu Complete Co-Wash shampoo today. So it's not a actual harsh shampoo, which is the second tip. It's not going in with a harsh shampoo. So I like to get the mask thoroughly from root to tip, like get it all over my hair, thoroughly detangle my hair. I'm trying to start finger detangling again, but you guys, it takes a little longer, so I keep grabbing my comb. So after I get my hair thoroughly detangled, I will put my hair in two low buns and allow that mask to sit on my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will go in with the Complete Conditioning shampoo from Cantu, and you this conditioner co-wash was amazing. It had a lot of slip. My hair did not feel stripped. So you guys, like I said before, I know it's a little backwards, but it really works. Like, if you have problems with dryness, try this routine out, and I promise you your hair will retain its length. It won't be brittle. It won't be like hard to keep your moisture in your hair. It'll be really easy for you to detangle your hair the next wash day that you have. So, like I said before, after I get done with that 15 to 20 minutes and letting that mask just sit and marinate on my hair, I will go in with a co-wash and not a shampoo. So just squirting that co-wash all over my hair, making sure that it is from root to tip. Since it is a co-wash, I like to wash my hair from root to tip to make sure that my hair is thoroughly clean. And then after that, I will apply my deep conditioner mask again. Yes, guys, I will apply the hair mask twice, just because it is the fall and winter months and we want our hair to be very, very moisturized. But this time when I apply my hair mask, I like to make sure that I do not rinse all of it out of my hair. I like to keep some of it in my hair. So I will rinse my hair out with like my twist in my hair that I applied in my hair before I put the co-wash in my hair. So you guys, this is just my really simple, quick fall, winter month hair routine. This is my wash day routine. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys give it a try. I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video, and then you guys stay tuned for my blow drying video. I'm going to blow dry my hair, but my next video is going to be a prep, how I prep my hair for my blow dry. So you guys, please stay tuned for that video, how I prep my hair for blow drying. Okay, you guys, so really quick, this is just me going in with that second deep conditioning mask. And like I said before, I did leave that deep conditioning mask in with the twist in my hair. And now I'm just going to rinse out the deep conditioner mask. I'm going to leave some of the mask in my hair, but please stay tuned for the next video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.